Are you struggling with headaches, neck pain, or back pain? Introducing PulseAlign, a revolutionary healthcare solution that may change all that. In this video, we'll share how PulseAlign's innovative neuromodulation technology uniquely targets tonal symmetry and lets you turn this around instantly and naturally. Interested in amazing results? Tired of complicated, lengthy, and costly attempts to recover? Take a listen. So, what exactly is tone? Neurological tone refers to the level of tension or activation of muscles and organs of your body. Regulated by the brain, tone helps maintain your posture and movements, but also the normal activity of all of your systems. Just like the cardiovascular system, PulseAlign embraces a new paradigm in healthcare that sees health problems as temporary imbalances rather than fixed issues. This means that PulseAlign is not really a treatment per se. Much like when your printer isn't working right, PulseAlign acts by restoring proper configuration regardless of the symptoms. You may simply be misconfigured, and like the printer example, fixing it is irrelevant since it's not really broken. But how did you get yourself into this situation? Trauma, whether physical, chemical, or emotional, impacts our bodies. This can cause imbalances in the brain, which affects tone symmetry. Neurological tone asymmetry, in turn, leads to various joint dysfunctions which can result in pain. It actually affects all tissues and organs, disrupting their function and manifesting a wide range of symptoms. Do you suffer from neck pain, back pain, or even headaches? Keep listening. Discover PulseAlign's exciting solution to restore balance, rejuvenate health, and enhance well-being. PulseAlign's cutting-edge neuromodulation device creates a single tiny pulse. This tiny vibration can actually trigger nerve receptors. A natural chain reaction then instructs your brain, which then resets muscle tone. Your brain is then properly configured so that balance and well-being return on their own. This, of course, happens without manipulations, drugs, or even rehab. In fact, the process is so gentle and fast, you don't even feel a thing. It is even softer than the most gentle of massages. If you or someone you know is struggling with chronic pain or discomfort, explore the benefits of PulseAlign's neuromodulation technology and step into a pain-free future. PulseAlign is amazing, fast, and accessible. Countless individuals have already experienced the life-changing benefits of PulseAlign. Join them and let us empower you with valuable resources, information, and premium care. Don't wait any longer. Help someone you love by sharing this video or visit our website to schedule your first PulseAlign experience. Unlock your body's amazing healing potential with PulseAlign.